Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for haircut help and what you can do to make haircutting go more smoothly and successfully for your child. Now, one easy trick that I really like is to layer clothing. Reason being, I feel like despite capes, despite towels, those little hairs just fly everywhere and they can be immensely distressing for a sensory defensive child. So if you are able to put on a nice fitted shirt and then layer a button-up type of shirt, layer another shirt, maybe something with a zipper that's easy to remove over the original shirt, you can then, after you take off a towel or a cape, remove shirt number one, remove that first layer. This can be very settling for kids. Also, layering clothes and the heavy feeling of clothes can be very useful. Check out the Sensitive Skin series on dressing, because that's actually a strategy. So if you're doing a little bit of layering, you're giving some more snugness, some more anxiety reducing types of sensory input, in addition to catching more of the hairs. So you're kind of getting two things in one with this type of strategy. So if you haven't tried it, try layering and see how it goes.
In my mind, you're a driver, slow down.